My name's Tim Carey. I'm Chief Product Director for Collider, which is part of Wilmer Dixon and owner of the biggest microphone in this room. So, Ed talked about now or never, Wilmer Dixon's 10-year plan, but we're quite impatient. So we don't have now or never, we just have now. What we want to do is to create buildings that represent the best of Wilmer Dixon's values today. And we need to be brave. You know, we can't just sit here and be so enamoured about self-preserving our existing models of business that we hold on and we don't embrace the future. Because when we look at the scale of the challenge out there, we're not going to do it alone. We've got to do it together. And how can we, in real time, integrate life cycle analysis and embodied carbon calculation back into the design process? Because it's a bit like if I go into IKEA and I design a kitchen and I don't like the answer that the design process is telling me, I don't get into a row with IKEA about the cost of their dishwasher. I actually take a different view, and I can choose in real time whether or not I want to spend a bit more from a capital point of view to save over the lifespan of my kitchen. We don't yet have the opportunity to do that in construction in the way that we should be able to do it. There's a magic material out there which is net zero carbon and actually takes carbon from the atmosphere as it grows. We need to find a way to re-educate the insurance market that timber, if used effectively in the right situation, treated in the right way, is a good material. So I think the heading for this was now or never, what's stopping us? Don't let ourselves stop us. That'll be my message.